Welcome. Today is day 13. I am outside in my backyard enjoying what I call the golden hour, which is when the sun just directly hits the hammock and I'm literally just basking in glow. And that's kind of related to my message for today. One of the things that I did to just help me overcome my initial feelings of helplessness, depression, when I went no contact with my dad was being outside. I know it sounds so easy, but being in nature, being outside among trees, grass, or even dirt, it's grounding force. And if you can even just take 5 to 10 minutes to go for a walk or do some form of exercise outside, I guarantee you're going to feel better. For me, I made a conscious decision to move to northern Alaska in wintertime, which is crazy for a lot of people. But for me, I knew I needed a time where I needed to be in a resting phase, and moving to Alaska also just gave me plenty of opportunities to be outside. And the more that I was outside, the more I started coming out of my shell and that depression and felt more alive, and the more I just connected with great nature. So, my question for you is, what steps can you take to incorporate nature or being outside in your life? Think about it, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.